output devices. Output devices. An output device is a hardware device that is used to transfer data from the computer to the human user. Again, it's a device that is used to transfer data from the computer to the human user. The computer needs to communicate with the user just as the user are communicating with the computer. As we said before, we use the mouse to input or to control the pointer inside the screen. But what if the computer want to tell us something? I want to take data from the computer. This happens through output devices. Let's take examples for output devices. We have examples for the output devices. They are monitor, printer, headphones, computer speakers, projector, GPS, sound card, video card, braille reader, speech generating device. Now let's talk about the monitor. I think that you understand what a monitor means. It's the monitor that in front of you. It gives you a visual output. It gives you what? Visual output. The function of it, a monitor consists of a screen, circuitry, a power supply, buttons to adjust the screen settings, and a casing that contains all of these components. A monitor displays data from a computer onto a screen so a user can interact with the data via a digital interface. The second thing is a printer. A printer, when we have a document on the computer and we want to print it on a paper, or we have an image on the computer and we want to print it on a paper, here comes the printer. It's the output device that print documents, images through a paper. The function of a printer is to create a copy of whatever it is sent from the computer to the printer. Printers take electronic data sent from the computer and generate a hard copy. Headphones. Headphones are used to transfer audio from the computer to the human user. I if I want to listen to a video, if I want to listen to a sound, if I want to listen to anything that has an audio, I have to use headphones or speakers in general. Headphones output audio from a computer through to individual headphones for a single listener, known as earphones. Headphones allow you to listen to audio without disrupting other people in the vicinity. Then comes the computer speakers. The computer speakers are the same as headphones, but this time I will output the audio loudly. Computer speakers are hardware devices that transform the signal from the computer's sound card to into audio. Speakers create sound using internal amplifiers that amplifies the sound and make it loud. That vibrates at different frequencies according to data from the computer. This produces sounds. Projector. The projector is used in the classes. I think that you all seen one of them. You use them every day. Teacher use them every day in the classes to output what on their lab on a huge screen or on the board in front of you. It output visual. As its name suggests, this output device projects computer images or video onto a wall or a screen. The GPS. GPS is a radio-based navigation system that comprised of a sender, computer and receiver. The sender broadcasts signal to 24 satellites which ping to the sender that exact location of the sender computer in the form of, of latitude and longitude coordinates. When I want to go to some place, I use the GPS to tell me the location of this place on the map, and in the same time it tells me where I am on the map. So the GPS is a system that has a map that has my location and the location of my destination, and it generates the best way for me to go to the destination point and how to move through the map. The sound card, the sound card is a card that I put inside my computer. It controls the output of the sound. When I use my headphones or when I use a speaker, I connect the headphone or the speaker to a sound card. Again, let's read. The sound card controls the output of sound signals, enable devices like speakers and headphones to work. The sound card is known as an expansion card, which means it can be added to the motherboard. Although a sound card is not essential to a computer's basic functionality, you need one if you wish to play games, watch movies, listen to music, and use audio in general. If I don't have a sound card in my computer will work, but I will not be able to get audio signals from the computer. I have I have to have a sound card inside my computer to be able to plug a headphone or a speaker to it, so I can hear voices coming out of the computer. The video card. The video card is the same idea as a sound card. From the name, the video card controls the output of visual data. The visual data. So I can't see the data from the computer if I don't have video card. And I plug in my screen or my monitor on the video card. Let's read. As with the sound card, the video card is an expansion card that slots into the motherboard. The video card processes images and video, enabling visuals to be seen on a display. Most computers have basic video and graphics capabilities built into the computer motherboard, but for faster, more detailed graphics, a video card is required. Braille reader. Braille reader is used for printing. Braille reader is a peripheral device that enables a blind person to read text displayed on a computer monitor. The text is sent by the computer to the device where it's translated into Braille format and made readable by pushing around pins up through a flat surface. You know the blind people? The blind people there is a Braille technique. You know the the Braille technique for the blind people to be able to read things. This is used like the monitor, but not for normal humans. It is used for blind people. So when the monitor want to send data to the human, it pushes up some pins. These pins, the person can go with his hand and feel them, and in this way he will be able to read the data from the computer. Speech generating device. Speech generating device SPG. It is used to output sound. SPGs, also known as voice output communication aids, generate text to speech. A user types something, and when the command is sent, the SPG reads the sentence out loud. I type what I want to say. The people that can't speak, they type what they want to say, and this speech generating device talks for them. It says what they type. It's used for people that need that can't speak, and same as the braille reader is used for the people who can't see. That was all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.